Winter has arrived and your lawn has stopped growing. It's time to give your BESTMOW some seasonal maintenance. First, make sure your mower is fully charged at 100%. If the battery shows around 65%, simply plug it in and open the BESTMOW app to confirm the charge reaches full power. Next, press the stop button to turn off the machine completely. Move to the top of the mower. Unscrew the 2 bolts on the lid, open the cover, and adjust the cutting height to the highest position. Reinstall the lid and tighten it firmly to preserve the original airtight seal. Now, turn the mower upside down and inspect the blades underneath. Make sure the screws are properly secured. When the new season begins next year, most blades will still work fine. But if they look dull or damaged, replace them with the spare blades provided. Insert the fixing tool into the 2 small holes to hold the base steady. Then carefully unscrew and remove each blade. Be cautious, blades can be sharp. As you loosen each screw, hold the blade with one hand to prevent it from falling inside. If you have gloves, wear them for extra safety. Once the old blade is removed, install the new one using the same method. If needed, you can replace all 3 blades at once for best performance.
Now, let's clean your mower. Remove grass clippings and dirt with a water hose. Don't worry, BESTMOW's waterproof design handles this perfectly. Focus on the wheels and the inner sides. After rinsing, it's important to keep your mower dry. Use a towel to wipe off the bottom, outer shell, and any visible water. When done, press and hold the main power button for 1 to 2 seconds to turn the power off completely. Store your mower in a cool, shaded, and ventilated area, ready for next season. BESTMOW, glad to serve you.